Hi. You have to go menu and change here histogram. Inside the histogram, go to the histogram type. Here you have to click match. When I have clicked to match, see the chair, okay? When I'm going to hit on match, immediately the color of the chair has been changed. The color of the chair is not only changed, only this also the same time the reflection of the fire and the reflection from the chair has been animated. How? Play this video. As you can see, the histogram is animated here automatically. I did not do anything because the color reference was a video, so it added some automatically keyframes with the timeline, and now the fire is reflecting from the chair. And now according to your requirement, you can also do the darkness, or just according to your requirement, whatever you want to do, you can do. For example, I'm adding here brightness and contrast. I am trying to make it more darker and unsaturated a little bit, and maybe down the brightness from the chair, and of course play with gamma. And the most important thing is I'm trying to unsaturate this image because it is night scene. And of course you can use another node of color corrector. There you can add some blue kind of color because it is night, right? And now everything is perfect. See the the fire reflection of the chair, the color of the fire reflecting from the chair, and everything is nice. And now same thing, if you want to try to do with color curves, how it will be the result. Delete everything, the color will become in natural color. And now you have to, I'm going to add color curve here, and same way I'm going to give the image reference to the color curves here, and uncheck mark this alpha value because I'm not going to play with alpha channel, and go to the reference here and hit on match. When you will click on the match, at the same time the color of the chair will change. Okay, the result is pretty similar like color corrector, but here the animated kind of thing will not happen. See, color is matching and everything is fine with this chair, but the animation kind of, or the reflection animation, is not going to happening here. Why? because we have to change the mode here, no animation to animated color curve. Correct? Okay, it's not animated. So what you have to do, every frame you have to click on match, and it will add some keyframe. Match, every frame you have to click on match, and it will add some keyframe there. As you can see here, the color curve has been added the keyframes with on this timeline for this chair. Okay, so every frame you have to go further and click on match, go for the next frame and click on match, click on match, click on match. So when you animated this whole scenario, then you have to do for other things. For example, you can add some brightness and contrast, and again you can desaturate this image, and you can add some blue effect kind of things, and you can do it. But I found that the color corrector is more accurate than this color curves. Okay, so I hope you got something new from this video, and of course you can also steal the colors from the another image. For example, the second example I have here. Okay, this is my video I have recorded through my DJI inspired drone, and this is a video, just a video, simple color and no simple color, on standard color. Okay, I have recorded this on standard color. Second, I want to take, or I want to steal the color from this image. I don't know this image, I have downloaded from the Google, and I think this is a movie Van Helsing, and I found that this color I like this color actually, and I want to try to steal the color from this photo. And this is just a photo, it is not a video. Okay, remember that. So I want to steal this color for my video, for this video. So I have used a color corrector here, and I have taken the reference from this color. And of course, why the colors are not matching with this video? Of course it's matching with this photo, but the sensor of my drone camera and the sensor of this camera that somebody have been suited this photo, that the sensor are not maybe matching, or the mode that he captured with, for example, maybe he shooted on raw footage, but I have shooted on standard colors. So that's why the things are not matching here, but I have used another color corrector here, and I try to match somehow. So the natural color of the drone video is this, and then I steal the color from this photo, and the final result of the video is this. So I hope that you got something new from this video. Thank you for watching this video.